what's up guys? It's Antonio Estrada here in Miami with Hairdo USA. We are doing some looks today with the invisible extensions, and here is our beautiful model, so let's get started. The best part about these extensions is they're not permanent, so you could just pop them on whenever you want. This has like a little visible strand, which is awesome because it hides here. So I'm just gonna apply it right up in here, just like that. Perfect. And then I'm going to take a comb, pull all of this hair through. Another thing you want to make sure is like these bands should go from ear to ear, so back here, so make sure that that's behind the ear and not forward. So on her too, I'm really just going to work with her natural parting. I think it's really nice. I'm going to do an elevated 3-strand braid. A lot of people tend to braid on the scalp, and that makes it look a little more severe. So this is just going to be a little softer. So as you can see here, it's elevated, so when I push it down, it gives you like that feel. Right now, I'll start pulling some pieces, just making it a little more soft. This is really trending right now too, so it's really nice. Another positive thing about these extensions, it has a heat stylable fiber, which will hold heat up to 300 degrees, and you can create any style with that. I want to talk about how I'm going to end this look. So just to keep it more interesting and keep it a little more fun, I do a tighter braid here, and that will be the end. So it's going to look like something like that. So I will finish it off with the band. So now we're gonna go into some detail work right up front. I already love the way this braid is looking, but just adding some hairspray and pulling it apart is when it's really gonna come to life. Just kind of spray at it and just go for it. This also just makes it really dramatic. Another great thing about this style is if you feel like there's a certain area that you don't really like, you can normally kind of see where it weaves through and then just pull it back. So you see there that you pulled that too much, you can definitely just take it back a little bit. This look is very interchangeable, so you could wear it down, just add some really soft curls, and that'd be perfect for any bridesmaid, any kind of festival look or anything like that. But I'm gonna take it into a ponytail and show you the different looks there. That's why I love these invisible extensions too, because if you pull them tight enough, it lays flat, and it works really well to add length. So I will start with this really tight braid here, or this tight band. All right, so right at the end of the ponytail, the problem always is hiding the ponytail holder. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick trick. We're gonna use a hairpin right here. You're gonna put it under a tightly banded ponytail. So you put it under both bands, just like that. And you wanna grab a long piece of hair. Let's do that piece right there. So you just wrap it around. And then whenever you're done, you just kind of reach through there. Just like that, guys, and then you pull it through. So once it's pulled through, you push the pin through. And the band is covered, just like that. And there you have it, guys. I used the Hairdo Invisible Extension, which comes in 13 beautiful shades for this look. I created this nice volumized pony, which is perfect for the runway. Also good for bride or bridesmaid or any festival hair. So I'm obsessed, I love it.